Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the crypto world in 2025, you might need to transfer your Chainlink tokens from Uphold to Crypto.com. It's a straightforward process, but I'll walk you through it step by step to make sure you do it safely and efficiently. Why bother? Well, moving assets between platforms can help you diversify, access better features, or just keep things organized in your portfolio. First things first, make sure you have both Uphold and Crypto.com accounts set up and verified. Also, double-check that you're using the correct network for Chainlink, which is typically Ethereum. Platforms can change, so confirm this in 2025 settings. Step 1. Log into your Uphold account. Once you're in, head over to your dashboard and find your Chainlink holdings. It should be listed under your crypto assets. Click on it to select the amount you want to send. Step 2. Look for the Withdraw or Send option. This might be a button or a menu item depending on the Uphold interface updates for 2025. When you click it, you'll need to enter the recipient's wallet address. Now, switch over to your Crypto.com app or website. Step 3. In Crypto.com, go to your wallet section and select Chainlink. There, you'll find your unique wallet address. Copy this carefully, as any mistake could send your tokens into the void. Paste this address back into the Uphold withdrawal form. Step 4. Enter the amount of Chainlink you want to transfer. Remember to account for any network fees, which can vary based on blockchain congestion in 2025. Review everything twice, then hit Confirm to initiate the transaction. Step 5. Once sent, keep an eye on the transaction status. You can use a blockchain explorer like Etherscan to track it. It might take a few minutes to a few hours, depending on network conditions. And there you have it. Your Chainlink should now be safely in your Crypto.com wallet. Always prioritize security. Use two-factor authentication and never share your private keys. If this tutorial helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more crypto guides. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.